Welcome back. Most of our viewers want to know, what are the top 3 essential oils for hair and how we can use it in our daily hair care routine? Today we are going to discuss this topic in detail. So, first of all, one has to understand, what are essential oils? Basically, essential oils are extracted from plants through methods like distillation or evaporation. While essential oils are most famous for their aromatic capabilities, they also contain strong chemical properties that can be beneficial for health. Essential oils have long been used in alternative, Eastern, and homeopathic medicines thanks to their effectiveness and low risk of side effects. One benefit some essential oils have is improving hair health. Different oils can do everything from helping hair grow to adding strength and shine. Now comes the point. Which essential oils are really good for your hair? Among top 3 essential oils, number 1 name comes lavender essential oil. Let's discuss some of the benefits of lavender oil first. Later, I will tell you how you can use lavender oil in your daily hair care routine. So, first benefit of lavender oil is that it can speed up hair growth. Knowing that lavender oil has properties that can generate the growth of cells and reduce stress, researchers on one animal study found that this oil was able to generate faster hair growth in mice. It also has antimicrobial and antibacterial properties, which can improve scalp health. Now, how we can use lavender oil in our daily hair care routine. The method is really simple. Mix several drops of lavender oil into 3 tablespoons of carrier oil, like olive oil or melted coconut oil, and apply it directly to your scalp. Leave it in for at least 10 minutes before washing it out and shampooing as you normally would. You can do this several times per week. Number 2 best essential oil for your hair is peppermint essential oil. Peppermint oil can cause a cold, tingling feeling when it increases circulation to the area it's applied to. This can help promote hair growth during the anagen, or growing, phase. One study found that peppermint oil, when used on mice, increased the number of follicles, follicle depth, and overall hair growth. Now, how you can use peppermint oil in your daily hair care routine. So, the method is, mix 2 drops of peppermint essential oil with the carrier oil of your choice. Massage it into your scalp, and leave on for 5 minutes before washing out thoroughly with shampoo and conditioner. Number 3 best essential oil for your hair is rosemary essential oil. If you want to improve both hair thickness and hair growth, rosemary oil is a great choice thanks to its ability to improve cellular generation. According to one study, rosemary oil performed as well as minoxidil, a common hair growth treatment, but with less scalp itching as a side effect. Now, how you can use rosemary essential oil in your daily hair care routine. Mix several drops of rosemary oil with olive or coconut oil, and apply it to your scalp. Leave it in for at least 10 minutes before washing it out with shampoo. Do this twice per week for best results. So, that was all about today's topic. Hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. In order to get regular updates from our channel and to watch more informative videos like this one, hit subscribe button and press the bell icon.